I think they've really, I know they've definitely inspired me just to like be who I am in theatre, and
they make us feel very comfortable.
Yeah, definitely. Drama's turned into like a family.
Yeah.
It's like our own little community now, and they're at the heart of that. They know us so well. I think that's just a lot of other, like, I guess we're used to having teachers, but they're not like teachers, they're like friends, and yeah, they act like we're real people instead of just a system. Yeah.
But guys, he's like, Emmanuel can get there and he can think like that, but ultimately, you are the ones who are supporting him.
I mean, you're all kind of listening to each other, so you know when you're going up. At the moment, it's still not quite seamless, yeah? Let's try again. We'll just take her up and then down. Cool. If everybody just marks where they are now, where are you in relation to the others? Really remember that.
Reflects from your shadow. It is more than I thought could exist. You move through the room like breathing was easy. If someone believed me, they would be as in love with you as I am. They would be as in love with you.
I feel like, yeah, the dance scene, what Manifuna doing there is spot on. It is banging. It's just euphoric. I play it. It's just euphoric. It's euphoria, you know.
Hi, I'm Rob Watt, the Youth Programme Manager at the National Theatre, and I've just experienced Euphoria, which is the new youth theatre show at the Albany Deptford, and it was brilliant. It was a brave and exciting and funny and interesting piece of writing that of youth theatre, and it's exactly what youth theatre should be.
Can I have the music, please?
It's exactly what youth theatre should be, which I just wanted to be young again. I wanted to be up on that stage doing those things, and I think that's really fundamental in the way that Rasheen and Gemma work. You can really see that those young people own that space and own the work that they do, and that really transcends into the audience, which is brilliant.
Thanks, Beatrice. Can you dim the lights? Dim the lights.
I was with them for 2 years, and I started off with them around like 2011. And you know, throughout the years, it made me a better actor. I was more confident within myself, and like the styles that they directed on the show.
Yeah.
You know, like it helps me like learn new skills that I can use in daily life, and like I got into the college I wanted to, and I have to say thanks to them.
Oh, you get a tingling feeling, man. The tingling feeling, not really.
I got it.
Like what's that? Like Teletubbies.
And the way they put it all together is amazing. Like, I never actually thought this. The way they put it together is really amazing. It's just awesome. They're just amazing and gorgeous, to be honest. That's all I have to say.